to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We're college students who are creating fun activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on different topics, such as science, history, health, and even art. Thank you for joining us today to learn. Today we will have our activity coordinators, Luis, Jala, and myself to help out. In today's activity, we'll be learning about how to make elephant toothpaste. But before we get to that, we'll go over some key words. Alright, then we'll start with what is chemical reaction? Chemical reactions or chemical changes is a change in a substance that creates something new. A reactant, though, is any substance that is used up during a chemical reaction. Some examples of reactants are exothermic and chemical decomposition. Exothermic is a reaction where the substance reacts releasing energy as heat, and chemical decomposition is when a substance breaks down into two or more products. Luis will show us how this will work out in our activity.
Hey guys, it's Luis. So I'm going to show you a fun experiment, which is elephant toothpaste. Alright, but make sure you have adult supervision while doing this experiment. So let's get started. For this experiment, we're going to have warm water, food coloring, yeast, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, funnels, and water bottle. I'm going to show you guys with 2 water bottles because I got 4 different food colorings, so I'm going to use 2 colors. So, first things first, we're going to need dish soap. So, we're going to put some dish soap into some water bottle, and probably like just a little bit from the water bottle. So now after putting the dish soap, we're gonna put some hydrogen peroxide. So for this, we're gonna put 4 ounces. So right here, I have a little container that shows me how much 4 ounces is. So I'm gonna use that and put it in the water bottles. So we're gonna put a funnel into these water bottles and then put the hydrogen peroxide in it, just so that we don't make a mess. Okay. Alright, now that we mixed the hydrogen peroxide into dish soap, we're gonna mix them very gently with each other. So, let's do it. So, now you could add food coloring if you want. This one already shows blue, so I'm gonna keep it like that. But this one, I'm gonna put red on it. So we're gonna mix this one with the red. So that's all. Alright. Now we're done with adding the food coloring into one of the water bottles. We're gonna mix the yeast with warm water. So now with warm water, you need 4 ounces of it. So I'm gonna use the same container to measure 4 ounces for it. Alright. Now after that, you need a tablespoon of yeast. But since I only have a teaspoon measurement, 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna mix this up. See where the yeast mix up with the water. Alright. Since we have 2 water bottles, we're gonna do 2 with 2 containers and then mix some yeast and warm water into this one too. Now that we have everything set up for this one, for this water bottle, and this one, the red water bottle, we gotta make sure that we have an open, clean space. So now that we clean everything up, time to mix it in. Alright, so we're gonna have this on this, and I have a small one for this one, but we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna try on one of them right now. Let's see how it is. gosh. Alright. That's a lot. And do not touch it because it's really hot. Now we're gonna try the other one. We're gonna mix in the yeast into it. Alright. There we go. Now we got 2 messy water bottles with elephant toothpaste. I don't know why this one is. Like I said before, do not touch it. It's really hot. But I'm gonna So, there you go. That's how you make elephant toothpaste.
Who knew making toothpaste can be that much fun and requires so few steps? Now we see how different chemicals react to each other, mixing together to create something new. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please comment if you have any questions, like and subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more videos. Goodbye.